Okay, what causes these arms to break? This one's pretty solid. This one's pretty loose, which means fitting. I'm going to call them fittings. I forgot the name of them anyway. So the best thing to do is to pull that off like we did and tighten that nut up, and then put it right back on, and then you're fine. You won't have to worry about the arm breaking. Okay, we've got an armchair, and we took it apart because it just kept going around and around. And these two dealy boppers here have broke off, and I know what that's from. It's from somebody. Well, I'll show you on this chair. It's when somebody's getting up out of the chair and they push on it to get themselves out. They just did it one too many times and broke these two things off. And probably too, this bolt may have come loose, and of course that would add to the breaking of it. But anyway, what we're going to do, we've got some JB Quick Weld. We're going to mix it up. We're going to set them on here, let that dry, and then we're going to drill some holes in here and put screws in there, because I can trust the JB Quick to work, but it needs a little extra mechanical help. So let's take this, let me take this outside. I'm going to mix this up and get this ready. Okay, I've got my JB Quick Weld, equal parts. JB Quick, there's two parts. There's the black and there's the hardener. One of these hardener, I'm not sure which, but anyway, okay, let's mix this up. We've only got just a few minutes to mix this up, so let's not let it take too awfully long. That's a good thing about these paint lids. They always come in handy for stuff like this. Yep, that's the one that goes there. Okay, so we want to put some on here. And then we'll try to cover it as best you can. This is one reason why you want to wear gloves. Okay, that felt like that seated in like it's supposed to. Yep, not moving around. Okay, now we got to get the other one. Alrighty, set this one in place. Okay. Now I just need to clamp these two things down. Got to get some paper to put on there because there's a little bit of glue up there. Okay, there's one. Okay. We have got them set in place. Now we just wait, you know, however long it takes for it to set up. Yeah, this stuff's already hard. Okay, clamps off on the first one. Little countersink. Two screws. Okay. Okay, let's try it. Looks like this thing in here broke, but that's probably what started the whole thing. Okay. By golly, it fits. Let's put our nut and washer back on and we're ready to go back together. Okay, it's good and tight. Okay, we're ready to go back on. start me a screw right here.
And the long one goes right there.
Yeah, probably one. I don't know if it's a short one or a long
And the
one.
rest are short.
Well, here's this is probably short.
Yeah. That's a good feeling.
Yeah, it's not perfect, but it's better than a handheld one.
Yep.
Okay, let me flip it up, see if it's going to work. It's good. I'm not worrying about it rolling around.
Even feels the same.
Yeah. Okay. One $300 chair fixed. I don't think I'm going to get Warren out of it. I think that's it for Warren. He's going to fall asleep in that thing. He'll lean back and that's it. Okay, good night, Warren.